We're gonna do another set of Duroc ribs, a ribute to Rack Sabbath. Fun rib fact. Duroc ribs are super meaty, healthy, girthy. They're not the most marble, but decently so. Actually, the most marbly ribs are from the Mongolica pig, which is the curly-haired pig. But you don't want to do their ribs because I tried them once, and they're so marbly, there's really no meat on the ribs, and they just turn into little splintery things, or kind of gross. Mongolica pig is referred to as the Wagyu of pork. So if you ever did like a pork butt with Mongolica pig, not only is it amazing, but it's just amazing. Trim it, trim it, trim. All this trim can be used for sausage, ground up, it's ground pork. So we're gonna save that just right over there. We just wanna trim up some of these fatty parts, round off some of this stuff, get these pieces that are just gonna fall off anyway. Then we want to get this big fat pocket off of here. That's huge. And I'm just going to kind of slice through the membrane. I'm not a huge take the membrane off guy, but you know, whatever. So we just trim some of the thickest parts of the fat off. But leave a thin layer, so we want that to render in. These are from the ladies and gentlemen of Creekstone Farms, and they come super trimmed, super nice. There's not much to do with them. Even the briskets you buy from Creekstone are pre-trimmed. They do a bitchin' job. All right, let's season these. This one's kind of a janky rack, huh? Janky rack.
That uses memorable.
Salt, pepper. Seasoned in the abyss.
Damn straight.
We are gonna let these sit overnight in the fridge, uncovered, until tomorrow when we throw them on fatty. No more war ribs of the power. What's a pig in a pond say?
What?
Ribbit. Let's check this out. Oh, look at how good it looks. It's just about done, but let's actually put the ribs on. We're just gonna run our standard gear like we always do. I got my ThermoWorks probe that I will set right in front of the rib. We have 3 racks, so we'll just probably put them like thumb. These have been sitting in the fridge, uncovered, dry brining, and now just sun-baked. Is that a fly on there? Eating my ribs. Bastard. All right, we're jamming at around 200, a little under 200. Stack is about 1/3 open. Let's get these ribs on. Let's let these roll. Ribbit. Ribbit good. Crack that rib. Step on a prayer. Break your mama's bear. Ribbit into shape. Shape it up. Get straight. Go forward. Move ahead. Try to detect it. It's not too late to ribbit. Ribbit good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're going to be cruising at 200 degrees for approximately an hour, steadily climbing to our cruising altitude of 250 degrees. Currently, we are 3 hours into this cook, and we're going to check them out. See, I said it last time, and I'll say it again. Barbecuers use spray bottles. Tattooers use tattoo bottles. It's the best. We're gonna keep an eye on the color, let these ride for a little bit longer at about 235-ish.
until we ride up to 250. And then we're gonna wrap these things and let them go the distance. Let's wrap these puppies up. A little bit of barbecue sauce mixed with water. And I got double tin foil going on. Meat side down this time. Funny story about these gloves that I hate so much. Heat-proof gloves says, warning, do not use near open flames. Gloves may catch fire.
Right there.
Oh my goodness, they smell incredible, that's for sure. We want everything to be kind of just probe tender. Look at that. Man, I was a little worried because they were a little dark before we wrapped them, but those are damn good. Yeah. Just right, smoky, come away from the bone really well.